Binibidyo ko na ngayon. Naku na nakita ni Trump.
Nakaupo ka.
Ayan ang mahadera.
Save it for tonight, for dinner.
I got already the picture. Why you want there in my
No, it's my seat. One. No seat.
You have to sit down. Magkabay ka na. Oh, go ahead. Sorry. No, yeah. But that's fine.
ganda ng
Wait, sinipatan mo ako, Koy.
We're here at Lake Cachumas Camping in Santa Barbara.
Wait, where's the to-go plate? I have to say for Father Gio.
Go. Mamaya, dumating na naman. Wala yung pagkain.
Oo, kagaya mo.
Barbecue, Pete.
Marami pa yun, no?
Let me get a selfie.
Wala, yung dry tip. Okay, everybody.
Ano ba yung lalagay dyan? Ikaw to, marami pa.
Let dry tip muna.
Okay, 1, 2. Where's the pinakbit? Pinakbit is coming.
On the way. Oh, yung pinakbit pala yung gulay. Magsasabaw yan.
Kaya sa bowl na yon.
Nasaan na yung pinakbit na sa bowl na siya?
Yeah. Nasa bowl na yun.
Maglagay kayo ng pinakbit sa bowl. In between. Okay, can someone get the balls and put some mga pinakbet sa side? Ayun yung pinakbet.
Nasaan na yung paglagyan na yung kanin? Nahugasan ba yung ano?
Sayang na po si Tita Atan sa isa. Yan.
Sarap.
A little thin.
Pardon? My driveway?
No, I mean, you don't have it here? No. Oh, you didn't bring it?
No, not this year. No.
Too much hassle. Man.
Yeah, well, we're leaving for work in
Oh, okay.
5.
Monday.
So I'm not gonna bring it. Too much one time.